Hello friends, welcome to Chiranjit tutorial. I am Chiranjit. Today I am going to show you how to find and replace color in Adobe Illustrator in very simple way. I am going to show you on fill color and stroke. So I'll select this box, this yellow color, and go select same fill color. So you can see all yellow color being selected. Now I can change the color in one time. So you can see I have changed the color in a one time. So now I will change this red color. Go again, same, select same fill color. So all red are selected. Now I can change the color, and now we show on stroke. Select same fill and stroke. All strokes are selected on of same color. Now I'm going to change it in one time. In a one time I can change all the same colors. So you can see I have changed, and now this one I will change same fill and stroke. So now I'll do black. So that's it. So guys, thank you for watching the video.